Hey Daniela,
Hey, how are ya?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you enjoying this slightly chillier weather?
I know. You know what? It's beautiful and it's sunny, so I'll take that part of it and
Mm,
enjoy it and just focus on the warmth of the sun right now.
I know. I'm actually in socks and a hoodie right now.
It's okay. It'll come back. It'll come back.
Yeah,
I am excited to look at this absolutely beautiful house. I'm so excited to show
me
it off to
too.
everybody.
I actually haven't seen the photos yet, so I'm pretty pumped.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you. I'm going to share my screen here so that we can go through the MLS listing. Now, there's an incredible virtual tour for this, as always. However, I'll take you through the MLS listing because I'm a terrible driver, so it's not going to go well. But Danielle, I'm so excited to show you these photos. So we have 315 Highland Road East in Stoney Creek, just live. It's one listed for 1.4, 5 bedrooms, three
Wow.
bathrooms.
Wow.
It's a 5 level side split. This house goes on forever. It's like it's never ending.
Yeah, I can imagine it must just feel huge.
Absolutely enormous. So 2177 square feet above grade, plus an additional 1,500 square feet in the basement. It's on a
Wow.
full half-acre lot as well.
Wow.
And just to point out, amazing tax value in this property. Taxes are only just shy of 5,200, which is absolutely incredible for what you're
Whoa.
getting. I
That's
know,
almost
eh?
as much as I pay in this condo.
Isn't it
I
crazy?
pay close to that.
Wild. And this is a half-acre lot, massive house. And we'll go through it all, but it does have a full in-law suite as well with separate entrance.
Amazing. Oh, wow. Yeah.
I know, eh?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Meticulously maintained full brick house here.
Ooh,
It's beautifully landscaped. There are tons of trees, lots of greenery.
look at that private backyard.
I know. And it backs onto farmland as well. So nice and quiet. I live backing onto a farm myself and I love how quiet it is.
That's one of my dreams is to have a really private yard like that, but in a
Right.
place that's not out in the middle of nowhere, right?
Absolutely. Parking for multiple vehicles, which is really beneficial given the fact that this could absolutely be a multifamily home. There is a steel roof on this house as well.
Beautiful.
Full brick, so all sides are brick. And I have to point out that, oh, there we go. All windows and doors have been updated. So there is no stone left unturned with this property. It's absolutely beautiful. Everything in it has been updated, but all windows and doors have been done within the last. Sorry if you guys can hear all the noise in my background. Working from home is a real treat sometimes.
I love it.
The kitchen,
Wow.
I know, stunning gourmet kitchen.
Gorgeous. Ooh, that is beautiful.
It is. It's my dream kitchen, that's for
Yep.
sure. So quartz countertops. There are built-in wall ovens. So there's a convection oven as well as a convection microwave, dishwasher, an induction with downdraft, so you don't need any venting for it. So eliminates that cumbersome vent that would come down for a typical
Absolutely.
range if it was on an island.
Yeah.
And counter depth stainless steel fridge as well. So really, really great high end appliances here.
Stunning.
And I love this little window seat.
Is there enough room for a table there? It looks like there is.
Over here,
Yeah.
it would
No?
be a little squishy with the fridge. However, when you see the seating, so there's triple seating over here. There are 5 seats at the island. And then
Oh, there you go.
there
And
you go.
the stairs going down. I love it.
Yes. So this is, I believe, a 12-seater dining room table. It's absolutely massive, and you actually probably could fit an even bigger one in there. This house is purely built for entertaining. It's fantastic.
Gorgeous. So beautiful.
Yeah, and then it overlooks the other family room here with doors out to the patio. Now, the doors out to the deck, sorry, have remote controlled blinds as well, just for some convenience there.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Second fireplace over here as well. So there are two fireplaces. Both give off lots of heat, and the house is absolutely loaded with high-end LED features, or sorry, light fixtures and pot lights galore. So not only do you have a ton of natural light coming into the house, there are pot lights everywhere.
What kind of floors are those? Those are so nice.
Beautiful, beautiful floors. They are engineered hardwood floors.
Perfect.
This is a real stunner. I may have to move in.
I know. I was
So
like, maybe I'll sell my place. No.
right? Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. It's the perfect house. It's unbelievable. No detail was not thought of in
Yeah.
terms of making this like an amazing family home.
I see that there's an office. There was like an amazing amount of storage. I don't know if that was like a mud room or something, but the built-ins there are beautiful.
This actually she's using as, kind of a girl room, which is my favorite kind of room.
Oh,
However, it could be used as a bedroom as well. So there are 5 bedrooms. Right now they're using 2 of them. One for an office, one for a
like
girly room, which
a,
I
yeah.
love.
Yeah, I love it.
And then you have your mud laundry room. So there's a bathroom right off to the side here, full bathroom as well with a rain shower. And you have your stacked washer and dryer, huge laundry counter, and tons of storage there.
It's so nice.
The laundry room, and you can't see it in this photo, but it does actually have folding racks that come down off the wall. So it's
Uh,
already built in,
oh, those are awesome.
and then exit to the backyard there as well. And that's your main bathroom on the right beside the laundry room there.
Beautiful.
Great size master. Cute little baby room.
Yeah, really pretty.
And then you've got your second main bathroom, another full bathroom here with double sinks and a jacuzzi. This is like the BMW. No, not even like what's like a really expensive car. I'm not a car guy, but this is the luxury tub. It's a jacuzzi tub. It has lights. It has sound. It has like
Wow.
jets. It has a shower wand.
It looks like a spa, like when you would go to a spa and they have like those really amazing tubs.
100%. It's like the elite tub. It's amazing. So now we're down into the basement. So you'll notice tons of lights, but also massive windows in this basement. Does not feel like you're in a basement.
Mm-mm. That's nice. Oh, a second
Eh,
kitchen.
Full second kitchen, yes. And tons of storage again. Like this isn't an afterthought kitchen. This is just such a strategically planned layout to accommodate, a second family, a family that has older teenagers that you kind of want to be able to have their own space as well.
Yeah, especially because a lot of people are living with like elderly parents now, and they've decided because of the pandemic to have like
Mhm.
joint living situations. So that
Absolutely.
could definitely lend itself to something like that.
Absolutely. Now, I didn't mention upstairs, but all of the bathroom floors are heated as well as this entire ceramic area in the basement. So this leads off to your laundry room and your bathroom, and all of these floors are heated.
Amazing.
So your second
Wow,
laundry room
that's great.
and another full bathroom for that basement there with a giant walk-in shower.
Yeah, I could definitely see having like a mutual living situation in a family for sure.
And it's not even like there's shared laundry or anything like that.
Yeah,
Like it's a fully separate space.
yeah. A
So
lot of times, even like just, young couples getting themselves set up, they sometimes will have to live with their parents for a little while or anyone
yes,
really. I mean,
the space can be rented out. I mean, if somebody wants to rent to a family member or, a friend, like it's always nice to be able to have that ability to capitalize on what you have and, have your brother live with you or somebody, a nanny suite as well.
Oh
So
yeah,
there's lots of
definitely.
options.
A nanny suite would be awesome. Look at the size of that
Yeah.
garage.
Yeah, it's an oversized garage. The floors are all done in the garage, so it's all epoxied floors, so it keeps the dirt off as well as makes it look a lot nicer. Now, from the garage, you've got interior entry, basement entry, and an exterior man door here. So
A lot of ways
lots
to
of
get
space.
in.
You got it.
Wow, is that
And
another garage back there or is that a shed?
it is a full detached shop that can be used, for mechanic or just even storage and things like that if you'd prefer. But it does have a 15 by 30 lean-to attached to the 20 by 40 shop. The shop is heated and it does have 100 amp service as well. So I mean, you can't go wrong with this.
Not at all. And there's more than enough room for a pool if you wanted a pool.
Absolutely. You could put a pool over on this side, your septic bed's on the other side there. But you could absolutely get a pool in over on this side here and not compromise any of your backyard space.
Yeah,
It's
beautiful.
just got great curb appeal. I mean, the pride of ownership shows through and through in this house.
I
The
love
deck,
the windows.
the windows are great,
Yeah, they're so nice. Just like a little modern touch to like
Mhm.
the black frames. Is it
I
black or
know.
charcoal?
I believe they're actually like a really dark brown, but
Brown.
it just adds that really nice modern touch to the exterior of the house.
Yeah, I love that.
And the deck and fence are actually new as well. So they've redone the deck and fence in 2020. Again, like no stone left unturned in this beautiful property. Huge fenced backyard, which, if you're looking for rural living,
Yeah,
fenced backyards are really hard to come by. So, this is fantastic for kids, for a dog, to be able to keep your privacy, but also have the kind of space that country living really does have.
absolutely. And I love the driveway with the cobblestone and stuff. It's really nice.
It's beautiful curb appeal here. And one of the best things about this house is, even though it feels a little bit remote because it backs onto farmland, et cetera, it's actually like maybe 5 minutes from Fortino's. You're 7 minutes from Walmart, Canadian Tire, basically anything that you could possibly need, as well as schools. And it is actually a fairly quiet road as well. The speed limit's only 60 in this portion of the road. So it's not, one of those crazy country roads where everybody's
Yeah,
flying down. It's nice and quiet.
awesome.
Yeah. So when am I moving in?
I'm like, so are you holding offers on this, Kristen?
Yes, we are. So offers will be accepted on Monday. Really excited to show this beautiful house. It's again, no stone left unturned. Everything has been done on this property. Absolutely beautiful. If you do have any questions about the property, you can reach out to me, Kristen, at knightonrealestate.com, or 905-741-2111. Daniela,
Daniela at knightonrealestate.com or 905-325-2831. Text me anytime. You can find me on any of the socials at Daniela Knighton Real Estate, at Danny Biaggi, and the same on Facebook. If you have any questions, all
absolutely.
you have to do is hit up this video on our page and enter in your questions there or message the team directly.
Awesome. I can't wait for everybody to get their eyes on this stunner. Thanks for going through the house with me, Daniela.
My pleasure. It was stunning.
Awesome.
I
We'll talk to
loved
you
it.
soon.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.